Hi everyone, this is Flo, and today I want to show you this JellyBam custom ROM for our HTC One X and some sexy Samsung Galaxy S3 and S2. Okay, so please activate the different annotations because there is a menu just there, just to go to different part of this video. So I am using it with my HTC One X just there, and this ROM is based on Cyanogen mode, and there is also the Paranoid Android custom things and also the AOKP version. When you start the custom ROM, you can see that there is two different launchers. There is no aroma to install it, so there is two different launchers, the TouchWiz or the Trebuchet, and you can just press it and use it just one time or for always, for example. During this video I will show you the two different launchers and all the things about this custom ROM. As you can maybe see, this ROM is just so fast and as smooth as possible when you use the home screen. When you can go then on the apps, you can also go to the widgets just there with this launcher, and you can see this is a beautiful and cool launcher. You have to do some things like that, maybe just to add some apps or some widgets. You have the different way just there to switch with different icon on the dock bar and some things like that. Okay, so let's go just to show you the trebuchet, just to show you how it works. So you can see that there is also some preferences about this one, just to I don't remember what it is, but you can switch for infinite scrolling, for example. Also I will just choose the always for the TouchWiz, just because I need this button. Okay, so this ROM custom is based on JellyBam version 4.2. If I remember, no, this is the Android 4.1, because this is the version 4.0. Next version, the 5.x, is the 4.2 Android version. I think this is understandable, and I hope it. Okay, so this custom ROM is just so amazing because there is some different things on the settings. And you can see there the ROM control. On ROM control there is all personalizable things, starting by AOKP settings. With that, you just are able to change the user interface, custom the boot animation if needed, custom the carrier label just there. For example, I can use Flow Wolf. You can also choose notification background. So where is the custom carrier label, it's there, for example, on this dock bar, on this status bar notifications, and also here on the lock screen. You can choose the notification background just there for gateway, for example, just once, and on the gateway you can just switch different things as you can see, and select an image. So I will just show you this one, for example, and that one is just so cool. Okay, so you can just use it, and you can just save the picture there. Okay, saving the picture, and on the ROM settings you have just use it for if I remember, notification background. So this is this one, but I think I haven't finished the saving the pictures. Okay, you have also the notification background alpha just there to set the value. You can just use it like that. Okay, grant there, and then the status bar notification is just rebooting, and you get it. As you can see there, I am using it, and this is cool. You can also show notification count just there, vibrate and expand just like that. You can show Wi-Fi network name. You can also enable the kill all button on the navigation bar. This is not there. You have also recent notification wallpaper. Okay, what's happened? I don't know. You have the hold back to kill, just hold the back button just to kill an app. You have also the lefty mode. It swap the navbar location. It requires a user interface restored. You can also force a tablet user interface just like that, and then you have just to go back on settings. I think I will laugh with my face on this background here. Okay, general user interface, you have this one, force tablet user interface, enable dual panel. So that's here, the dual panel, where it is, just here, as you can see. You have there, you can just uncheck it if needed, and you can also switch the LCD density, and with that you can use the complete tablet mode, but you need a complete restore. So you can use, for example, 160 there, you have to reboot, and you will use the tablet mode. So I will do that at the end of this video. Okay, so let's go to uncheck it, just there, menu, settings, AOKP settings there. Okay, so general interface, that's what we see. We can also enable the 180 degrees rotation and show the menu user interface overflow. Okay, you also get the lock screen. We still are on the AOKP settings. You can use on this lock screen the quick pin unlock, the menu unlock there. You can choose the lock screen wallpaper also. For example, let's go there and switch, I don't know, this one, just because I want to show you that. You can use which one you need. I just get some pictures there and I am using it. Okay, so saving pictures, we have to wait, and we can use it now on the lock screen, just there, as you can see. There is also the lock screen battery percent there, music, stock music layout, volume wake, just choose that to wake the phone by the volume buttons. You have also volume music control, lock screen target amount. We can just switch the number of target on this lock screen. There was only one previously, and I can use now 8, but I need to map it. So I need to map it. I don't know how to do. Yes, lock screen targets there, and we can just add some difference. For example, as you can see, 8 difference just there, and I have 1 camera, Google, and the lock screen. I can add one just there. For example, select contact, now contact, select direct, no, select ROM control there, and performance settings, click OK, and then on the lock screen, no, there is still nothing because I haven't saved it. Lock screen target saved there, and now you can just choose the 4 difference, this one and the others just there, and you can see that there is no one about the 8 others. You can enable the weather also, lock screen weather panel or text. You can also enable the calendar with the different calendar sources and other things. You can also allow the lock screen rotation. So let's go to see that. So on this lock screen we now get the different things and the lock screen rotation, and this is just so cool to see this landscape mode on the lock screen on this AOKP one. You have maybe seen this mistake just there. Here we get this cut on this thing, and we don't get it there. As you can see here, this is just something missing about this line here. Okay, so let's go to continue. We get the AOKP settings, and we are on the power menu. On power menu you can just show the screenshots, the navigation bar toggle also. On the navigation bar you can just enable the bar or not. This is the bar just there, as you can see here. You can also say the menu location, right, left, bottom, don't show it. Menu visibility there, always show invisible icon or not. You can also navigation button quantity, you can just switch from 1 to 5. Navigation bar color, navigation bar glow color, the button actions with long press and short press on the 5 difference. You can also select the number of targets just there. When you are pressing that, you have 5 different targets, and you can just enable different targets by this way. You can also switch the navbar transparency by this way and configure different widgets. Okay, You also get the status bar. You can switch the battery icon style. If needed, you can use the circle mode there, as you can see here. You can also switch with icon with text and with others, icon only, icon with centered text, and don't show it if you want. You also get the battery icon in notifications, the battery bar location. My favorite is tap of navbar. No, not there. This is not this one. Okay, I want to remove this one. Okay, and this is the battery bar location, status bar. This is just there. You can see the battery bar. The battery bar. Look, the battery bar. Yes. Battery bar style. You can also use the mirrored. This one, center mirrored. This one. Also change the color and charging animations, allow or not. About the clock, you can change the clock style with center clock or just white one. You also are able to switch the AM PM style there with clock short click actions, just there, as you can see, clock short click actions, alarms for example. If I do that, we have just to press it and we go to the alarms. We have the clock long click action, the date short click action. This is just there. Voice commands, just there. Go to the Eiffel Tower by feet. Okay, I'm not talking English very well. Okay, so we have to continue with that. Okay, just the AOKP settings. About the clock, we get also, that's what. We also get on the toggles. The toggles are just this line here. Oh, okay, I see what I have done before. Okay, about these toggles, you can just switch with this style or the other one, not this one here, there. You can also use the toggle style, icon text or text only, auto hide the toggles, switch the color, brightness location, also on top there, for example. Different things like that. There is the brightness location here or auto. There is the signal options, also the signal text style, Wi-Fi style, signal text style, and others. You have also the system, the LEDs that we can switch here, LED on, LED off, change the brightness. Okay, as you can see there, LED on, LED off, change the brightness, LED flash screen on, and others. There is also the sound, enable the volume panel, and change the other things, the face down, for example, face down actions. There is also the weather options, enable the weather panel short click actions. The vibrations, just here, you can just tap, you can record, for example, tap and stop, and you can play it again. As you can see, you can save it, for example, test, okay, as you prefer, and you can just then use it for the different system informations. Okay, then there is the paranoid settings. There is the different things, as on launch you can just switch the paranoid Android colors. It's need a reboot. The stock user interface, you can switch it as you prefer and select the tablet user interface mode. Also on the interface you can switch applications one by one, what you want to use, which mode you want to use, the phone, the tablet, or the tablet mode. You can do that app by app with this mode. You have to select which app you want to use and then what you want to use, the current size, then you can switch it. You can just choose the layout user interface things, extras, force, large screen, and others. Okay, there is also the different tools as reset properties, backup preferences and restore preferences, and the help. On cyanogen mode, you already know that you have the different status bar color, status bar information, navigation bar, also tablet user interface soft button. There is also the power menu with screenshot, reboot menu, sound panel, and other things. vlog screen settings, just there, screen security, screen lock. You can also switch with face unlock, pin, pattern, password, and cycles. There is also the SMS message limit, just there, 30 as default. The owner info, and I already done that with the AOKP settings. On JellyBam, there is also different things as the wallpapers that you can use. There is different wallpapers, and they are just beautiful wallpapers. This one are the JellyBam ones. You have also about the JellyBam, and you can just donate to different pupil devs having worked on this amazing custom ROM. You have also the profiles, because this is a cyanogen mod custom ROM. What I think about this ROM, there is also different things I haven't showed you. There is the Apollo, this is the music player just there, and you can see that this one is just cool and work very well. You can also use the rotation mode. Maybe I haven't allowed it, so let's go to settings and let's go to display and rotation there, 0 degree, and click lock screen. Okay, so I don't know why it's not working. Rotation on off. Okay, so I don't know why it must works. I don't know, it's not working. Also there is the camera there, this is v4.2, and you can go to the gallery by this way. Just for example, take picture by this way, and as you can see there is no green things there when you take picture, just the picture is saved, and you can go to the gallery by this way. Just go there and switch with different things, the different options. Okay, after the camera there is the awesome bits. You can just enable it if you have to connect it. For example, if you use this one, I don't know, you maybe know that this is my X Mini. You can see the full review on my website on accessories. And let's go to play one, for example. Just play it, play that sound. Okay, you can see that, and there is the bits audio. So let's go to try to use the awesome bits there. Enable it, compression is enabled, and enable boots, and enable that, and it's now working. Okay, and you can just go up with the sound, and you can see that this X Mini is just amazing. Okay, so I have to cut it. You can remove it. There is also different things as the pupil, you know, the gallery already know, also the browser, and some of you ask me about launching game. So let's go to launch game just to show you how fast it works. For example, this Subway Surfer, this is a game I have played some days ago, and this is a good one. So let's go to try it. And as you can see, this is a 3D game, and it works pretty cool. There is absolutely no lags, just there, as you can see, also there. Okay, so I will not play RV game because this is not so funny. You can watch my full review on my new website, One Up For Me, so on my new channel. So thanks to have seen this video. That was Flo, and just ask me some question if you need it, and let's go to try this one. And I think this one is just so cool. Also, I want to show you the battery, because this is something to know about that. And the battery is there. I am using it for 1 hour and 17 minutes, for example, and I have lost maybe, and no, not 20%, but 15%, something like that, and I use it a lot. So thanks to have seen this video. That was Flo.